Hello everyone, this is Isha Prakash from OXBRIDGE batch number 462. Today we both are here to have conversation and I'm playing role of her friend.
This is Rajnandini from batch number 462. I am standing here to do conversation with my friend Isha Prakash. So start. Hello Isha.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Why is your face so long?
Nothing. What will happen to me?
What happened with you? Because you are looking so sad.
Nothing, Nandini. Why are you just asking to me? Ask to yourself what you did yesterday.
Okay, fine. Firstly, I will ask before. But why did you not come yesterday at class? Because you know that without you, I am not so feeling good.
Yeah, really? You don't feel good without me?
Yeah.
Then why you did backbiting in front of a whole class?
Who told?
Who told means what? Juhi, one of my friends.
She told you.
Yeah.
She is a big backbiter. You know that about her.
Oh, hello. See, yeah, I know she did.
How did you believe me? Then I am the big biting you about you.
Because she told in a manner that I believed on her.
Yeah, I never expected you, Isha. Then everybody to say you and you believe on that.
It's not the matter, Nandini. You know what? My mother scolded me for that thing.
Okay.
She told that I am not paying attention on my study and I just use phone over during class. Then how my mother won't scold me? She scolded me very badly.
Who told to your mother?
Juhi.
Why did she tell?
I don't know, but she told me that Nandini did like that. I don't know what she should do. She did, and my mother scolded me, and I felt very bad for this thing.
It's not a big matter, Isha. Try to understand.
Oh, hello. How is it not a big deal? It's a not big deal for you because my parents, my mother, especially my mother, scolded me very badly this time.
Try to understand. In this friendship, it's a quarrel is happening. Okay, it's
you
not
know
a
what?
big reason.
I took you as my best friend, but you did very wrong with me.
What are you saying to me? It's not a good. Okay. Why
is it not good?
It's not a proper way to ask to your friends. Okay, it's not a proper way.
Okay, you're trying that Juhi is wrong and she did backbiting of all. I mean all class student in front of each other.
So please you will tell to Juhi, don't mind in my business, okay?
Yeah, I think I should do, but in this manner she told I believed on her.
Every time she interrupt in our.
I think she's feeling jealous with us.
Oh, really? I also
you know what? She tried a lot of time to investigate me for you, against you.